Hello boys and girls, welcome to the P4-6 October Values Education video. Our story today is called The Rules of the Mountains. Our value is law-abidingness. Law-abidingness means obeying the law. We know that the government, the police, official people set out laws for us living in Hong Kong that we have to obey. And that is to keep people safe and happy. It's just exactly like following the rules at school and at home. So we are considerate of others, we share with others, and we treat people properly, and we don't put anyone else or ourselves in danger. You can see that this story is set in the mountains, so it's a beautiful setting. Let's jump in and hear about the story. Do you recognise the flower? That is Hong Kong's official flower, the bauhinia flower. You might have seen the big statue in Wan Chai. Let me tell you the story. Once there was a magnificent little bauhinia flower named Bao. Bao lived high in the mountains of China in a big, big forest. Bao was small, but he had a big, ginormous heart. Ginormous means huge. One day, a dehydrated and thirsty tiger came to see Bao. There has been no rain for a really long time. I have been searching for days, but I can't find any. I am very thirsty. May I have some of your water? Boys and girls, do you remember what dehydrated means? I've taught you about this for the last few years. It's when your body and brain and your organs don't have enough water and you feel very thirsty. But it's really dangerous to be dehydrated. That's why adults always tell you to drink lots of water, especially in Hong Kong, where it's tropical and hot. Remember I said P4s and P5s, you remember this from the last couple of years when we learnt about sun safety, that your brain is like a plant or a flower and you need to water it so it grows and works properly and is happy and comfortable. And if your brain is dehydrated, so not enough water, it's like you've put your brain in a microwave. It's like it cooks and sizzles away, so it doesn't perform properly or feel good. So that's what the tiger's brain feels like at the moment, because he can't find any water. We also know that tigers don't have fingers or hands, so he can't go and turn a tap on or go find a water bottle. He has to rely on rainwater and puddles and lakes and things like that. So with no rain, he's very thirsty and in danger. Bao was very intelligent and remembered the rules of the forest. So you can see on the signpost, the rules of the forest are: number 1, when you can, share with others. Number 2, take only what you need. So don't take all the berries on the tree, don't take all the nuts on the tree, don't take all the tomatoes on the vine, don't take all the water out of the puddle, because others also need them and you would want someone to leave some for you. Number 3, respect everyone's home. If it's the mountains, if it's the lakes, if it's in a house. We also want to respect humans' homes and animals' homes. Number 4, help those in need. The tiger at the moment is in need. And number 5, be kind to all creatures, animals and humans. You can see that Bao's got his thinking face on then, because he's an intelligent bauhinia flower. And now you can see the signpost says law-abidingness this way. How does Bao feel right now? Bao was empathetic and felt badly for the tiger. Empathetic is when you put yourself in someone else's shoes and imagine how they are feeling. He straight away knew that he must follow the important rules. And as I said before, these rules, those same rules, apply everywhere, don't they? The first rule of law-abidingness, or the rules of the mountain, said, whenever you can, share with others. So he wants to share his water. And the fourth rule said, help those in need. And the tiger is in need of water because he is dehydrated. Bao looked at his water. He had just enough to share. Suddenly, a snake overheard the tiger and attempted to steal the water. Attempted means tried to. The Bohenia swiftly, so quickly, stopped the snake. So he saved the water, but how does Bohenia feel? Angry, furious, because stealing is not following the law, is it? Bohenia said, "No, you must follow the second rule and only take what you need." The snake felt ashamed and slithered away. Bale carefully poured some water for the tiger. "Of course you may have some of my water. We must help each other in times of need, just like the rules say." The tiger was grateful to Bao for his kindness and generosity. As the tiger drank, Bao smiled, smug in the knowledge that he had followed the rules of the mountains and respected the law. So yeah, that's how he feels. He feels smug, proud of himself, happy with himself, because he's helped someone and he's also remembered to follow all the rules. A wise old owl had witnessed everything and informed Bao, "You are a special and courageous Bohenia. You care for others, you work hard, you never give up, and you follow the rules. You make the mountain a better place." Because that's always nice when your teachers give you compliments like that, isn't it? When they say you work hard. Bao was pleased. He knew that by being empathetic, so putting himself in someone else's shoes, perseverant, which means never giving up, diligent, which means hard-working, and law-abiding, which means following the rules, he could make a difference. He continued to inspire those around him in the big, huge mountains. So that means he inspired and helped tigers, snakes, boars, parrots, porcupines, rats, rabbits, owls, because he was a law-abiding citizen. If we go back to the rules now, and let's have one more look at them, and you can think of the key words. Share in number 1. Number 2, what you need. Number 3, respect. Number 4, help. Number 5, kind. Don't forget, this is not just the rules of the mountains. This is the rules of Hong Kong, Chinquano, Poland Cook Wong Wing Shu, your own classroom, for example 6A, and also in your home. This is what your parents also want you to do, and your principal and teachers want you to do. So boys and girls, I hope you understand a bit more about law-abidingness and how to abide by the law and the rules. And now you can jump over to the Google form and answer the 8 questions there. Now normally you would only have 1 week to do this, but 1 week from today is the 7th of November and you'll be doing exams. So I'm going to give you to the 14th this time, so 2 weeks, okay? So it doesn't interfere with your exams. You can do it after your exams. Okay, good luck, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.